Today's medical-centric topic is Sirtfood Diet, a detailed beginner's guide to this trendy weight loss plan. The Sirtfood Diet grabbed headlines after reports that celebrities like Adele used it for weight loss. But what exactly is it? Does it work? And is it healthy? Here's a beginner-friendly breakdown of what the Sirtfood Diet involves, how it works, and what you should know before trying it. What is the Sirtfood Diet? The Sirtfood Diet is based on eating foods believed to activate a group of proteins in the body called sirtuins. Sirtuins are involved in regulating metabolism, inflammation, and aging processes. This diet claims that by focusing on sirtfoods, you can boost fat burning and support long-term health while still enjoying things like dark chocolate and red wine. What are sirtfoods? Sirtfoods include plant-based foods high in polyphenols, which may stimulate sirtuin activity. Examples include kale, buckwheat, green tea, dark chocolate, 85% cocoa, red wine, walnuts, extra virgin olive oil, blueberries, apples, parsley, soy. How does the Sirtfood Diet work? The plan has two main phases. Phase 1, 7 days. Days 1 to 3, only 1 meal per day, plus 3 green sirtfood juices, around 1,000 calories per day. Days 4 through 7, 2 meals per day and 2 juices, around 1,500 calories per day. This is a calorie-restricted phase aimed at quick weight loss. Phase 2, 14 days. 3 balanced sirtfood-rich meals per day, plus 1 juice. Focuses on maintenance and continued gradual weight loss. After the 3-week program, the idea is to adopt a long-term diet rich in sirtfoods. Potential benefits. Focus on nutrient-dense, antioxidant-rich foods. Encourage fruits, vegetables, nuts, and healthy foods. May promote short-term weight loss due to its calorie restriction. Downsides and risks. The initial phase is very low in calories, which can lead to fatigue or nutrient deficiencies if not followed carefully. Weight loss may be mainly water weight in early days. The science behind sirtuins and weight loss is still emerging. No strong proof yet that sirtfoods dramatically boost metabolism on their own. Bottom line. The Sirtfood Diet promotes healthy foods like leafy greens, berries, and olive oil, but the extreme calorie restriction during Phase 1 may not be suitable or ideal for everyone. If you're curious about the diet, it's smart to focus on incorporating sirtfoods into a balanced, nutritious eating pattern without going too extreme. Always consult your doctor or dietitian before starting a restrictive diet, especially one with very low calories at the outset.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.